Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up in Betfred, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for Betfred in Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you just need to click on it and you will be redirected to the official page of Betfred where you can see join option at top right corner. Simply click on it and you will be redirected to the official sign up page of Betfred where it is asking us for our email address, our username and our password. So let me show you an example and make sure to check mark this box. And once your credential is completed, simply click to continue and you will be able to sign up. So basically this is how you can sign up in Betfred, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.